Let's take a look here. Yeah, there was one screw holding the cover on. This is a, let's get back and show you what this is. It's a Toro Power Clear 2-cycle electric start 21-inch. The machine's in decent shape. I took the electric start off, which is down there. It's over on the bench, and I just took the carburetor off. So let's take a walk over there. So the first thing is, here's the electric start. And he said that there was a grinding noise. So as you can see, there's your grinding noise. Or one of them. So make it a little bit easier to see here. We got a missing tooth. And then if I come over the top, you can see how all those gears are kind of, oh, they've all been spun. There we go. Hopefully you guys don't fall. Let's plug this in here. Okay. Works. Sounds pretty good. Doesn't sound bad. But after I did that, I heard something. Gave it a little shake. Sounded like it had stuff rattling around inside of it. And sure enough, it did. There's 3 pieces I found inside. Aluminum. The brushes are sitting on kind of like a circuit board. Or they're attached to what it looks like as a circuit board. And this brace holds that circuit board from coming up. And it's broke on the one side. So it works. I guess the 50 some bucks, 60 bucks for these parts here, from what I can find through Briggs & Stratton. That's the first issue. The second is, he told me that he had a guy that was working on his snowblower last year. Apparently the guy left with the carburetor and stole it and never came back. We're going to take the bottom off of this fuel bowl. We got all the gaskets, so I don't know what the problem is here. Whew. Put these things on. Alright, let me see if I can see what you can see. Well, there's going to be some fuel in here, so we'll drain. Oh, there's no fuel in there. Alright, let's take the bowl out. Whoa, okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. This being a 2-stroke, that's one of the good things. That gasoline mix in, I'm sorry, that oil mix in there helps. It definitely helps keep things lubricated, and it helps with the any water that the ethanol pulls in. So usually things aren't as bad in a 2-stroke engine. I mean, don't get me wrong, they plug up just like everything else. I'm going to take this pin out. Let's take this pin, see what things look like. This is just a drain, right? Just a drain. This pin might be a little, yeah. Ooh, that's in there. Alright, just a little. Wow. I don't think I've ever come across that. Of course, it's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I'm gonna get a punch and punch that out. All right, the punch worked. Just had to move that back and forth. I'm gonna wire wheel this. This has never been taken out because I can see the marks on it. There's our float and our, oops, needle. Clean that up. Get down in here and pull this. There we go. Here it comes. Here. Emulsion tube out of here. See if I can. So I just want to stick my screwdriver in and push down on it, see if it'll get it to come out. That's, you can see through those two holes, and then you can see that one's clogged. Through here looks good. So we'll clean this up. Alright, I just cleaned up the emulsion tube, pushed out a couple plugs. The long end goes in first. Drop that in. And then I also cleaned up the jet as well. Everybody's barking today. Stick that on there. Get my screwdriver. And we'll get this one down. This pin, now it'll move. It moves freely back and forth, where before it wouldn't move at all. So that's good. So we'll put this back on here. Just make sure that that jet is snug. Not too tight, but snug. You don't want to crank down on those things. Leave it easy for the next guy to get out. That next guy might be me. Or it might be you. That's snug. This carburetor is clean. Got everything good and clean, so this thing should run. Then I'm gonna put it all back together. Just a couple bolts here or there. Won't take you through that, but I will show you when we get ready to fire that thing up. And if it fires up, you know, we'll keep our fingers crossed and we'll cross that bridge if it doesn't. So stay tuned. All right, got all the tins back on. I call them tins, it's all plastic. The whole thing's plastic. Let's give it a fire. Let's fire it up. Rolling thunder. That's a good sign. Get a little less choke. Almost wants to go. Nothing beats a two-stroke. Woo. Love it. All right, everybody. Where are you? Get you in camera here. Get me in camera here. All right, everybody. It's gonna do it for this one. We gotta get this guy. This guy's got to go back this weekend, and this one's going back this weekend. That's pretty nice little Toro blower there. Runs pretty good for not having a carburetor. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Now you guys go down in that comment section and tell me what you think, what your thoughts are. Tell me what you're working on. And we'll see everybody in the next video.